Hey there, I'm Adam. Here at Safety Detective, we're doing reviews for various security products, and this time we'll review Windows Defender, the default antivirus that comes pre-installed on every Windows 10 computer. I'm sure you already have a bunch of questions, such as, does Windows Defender provide enough security? Does it have a strong enough firewall and phishing protection? How comprehensive is its parental control tool? Is it user-friendly? Is it easy to get help when you need it? Does it pay off? And finally, would we recommend it? And if not, what are the alternatives? We'll run through all these questions in this video and cover security, main features, ease of use, support, and pricing. But first, I want to mention that even though you may not be tempted to use Microsoft's default protection software, since Windows Defender is pre-installed and free, it might be enough for some users. However, if you're looking for expert protection and want to be sure you're safe, you might be better off with a different antivirus. And I'll tell you why during the next few minutes, so let's get started. Number 1. Security. Windows Defender's primary function is only effective to some extent. It provides entry-level protection against online threats such as viruses, trojans, ransomware, and other malware forms, which is good as these are the most dangerous. So, even if you don't use any additional protection, you're still protected at the most basic level. However, before doing this review, I spent 3 days evaluating Windows Defender and realized that for more robust and thorough protection, Windows Defender just doesn't cut it. Windows Defender doesn't remove many low-risk malware vectors such as adware. Adware is more annoying than dangerous when compared to viruses. While it can make your life difficult with constant pop-ups, there wouldn't be any significant danger when it comes to the security of your system or files. Now, ransomware is a different story, as it can hijack your system or even steal your identity. Fortunately, Windows Defender is integrated with OneDrive, which is Microsoft's cloud storage platform, and that allows you to copy critical personal folders through Windows Defender into OneDrive and access them even if they're locked by ransomware. Also, if you choose to use Windows Defender, it will automatically detect any other antivirus on your computer so you can easily remove it. But if you choose to use something else, having Windows Defender detect other antivirus programs on your computer can get quite annoying. When it comes to security, we at Safety Detective give Windows Defender a 3.0. Not great, but not too terrible either. Number 2. Features. Let's start with Windows Defender's firewall, which is actually a standalone Windows feature you get whether you use Windows Defender or not. It works well enough, but it can be difficult to set up according to your liking if you're not computer savvy. Another important feature is phishing protection. It automatically integrates with Microsoft's own browsers, Microsoft Edge and Internet Explorer, but unfortunately it only works as intended on those browsers. If you prefer other browsers, you'll have to add this tool manually. Even then, you may still be in danger. When I was testing this feature with known phishing URLs from fishtank.com, I discovered that on Chrome, Windows Defender still missed a few threats. Although I installed the Windows Defender browser protection plugin from the Chrome Web Store and enabled the Protect You from Dangerous Sites option, I was allowed to access some dangerous URLs that weren't even flagged as suspicious. This program also offers basic game mode and parental control options so you can schedule or limit the time your kids spend online. You can filter content, monitor screen time, and limit which apps they access on mobile. Parental control options allow you to add, monitor, and control family members' accounts online, and even create special Windows accounts for your children with special protection settings that automatically apply every time they use Microsoft Edge. Unfortunately, these options only work on Microsoft browsers and devices, so they can't compete with multi-platform protection that other solutions provide. What's more, if you're looking for a VPN, password manager, or advanced security settings for your kids, you'll have to choose a different antivirus. These features only get a 2.0 from Safety Detective. Now, let's move on to number 3, ease of use. Because Windows Defender comes pre-installed on your computer, and because it's automatically enabled if you don't have any other antivirus, it can provide you with some basic protection without much hassle. Using the Windows Defender Security Center, you can get access to virus scanning, parental controls, a basic firewall, and system health dialogues. The Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security is something you probably shouldn't poke around if you're not an expert. To conclude, we give this aspect a 3.0 and we can move on to the next one. Number 4. Support. As a Microsoft user, you have access to Microsoft's global support network, which includes telephone support and a ticket-based system. This network includes full Windows 10 support, not just Windows Defender support, and Windows 10 has a much higher priority. This means that it takes a long time to get connected with the appropriate support agent who can help you with your Windows Defender problem. The Help and FAQ Center and Microsoft Virtual Agent, which is a chatbot, can be helpful. But if you need an actual human being to assist you, patience really must be your greatest virtue. As a free program, Windows Defender isn't very high up on Microsoft's list of priorities. On the other hand, there are other companies who consider their antivirus software much more important, and because of that, they pay much more attention to user support. Therefore, Windows Defender support gets a 1.0 mark from Safety Detective. Number 5. Price. The last item on my list is price, as in, there isn't one. Windows Defender is completely free with no paid versions Microsoft could try to sell, and you don't even need to install it. We took that into account in our review and gave this aspect a 5.0. To conclude, I'll tell you that antivirus software that got an average mark of 2.8 from us at Safety Detective definitely isn't something I'd recommend. It's free, but so are many other much better solutions, and there is one that I can recommend. If you need an alternative to Windows Defender, try Total AV. Total AV is a free and reliable antivirus that doesn't protect you selectively and offers not only a higher level of protection, but also more options that other software can't match. You can learn more on www.safetydetective.com. And that concludes our video review of Windows Defender. Thank you so much for watching.